Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I am LaDonna J. For today's video, we are filming a Sunday reset. Let's open up these blinds, get the sun shining, and let's make up this bed. So for my Sundays, it's normally getting me ready for my work week. So I just do some simple tidying up, clean the house, get it nice and clean. I do live with my mom or my family, so we have chores, during the weekend. So this week it was my turn to clean the bathroom. So I tidy up my room. My room is always tidy throughout the day. I'm a minimalist, so my room's never really dirty because there's nothing really in it. So yeah, I'm just going to be tidying up my room, doing a little bit of deep cleaning, actually going to my closet, getting rid of some makeup that I don't want or that I don't use. So I'm going to be giving it away to some of my friends, just reorganizing some stuff, stuff like that. This is my closet where I keep like my hair, my extra makeup, all my hair products and extra brushes, stuff like that. So I just had to kind of tidy that up because it was annoying me. So right here I'm just giving away some makeup, and then also I'm going to be hanging up my clothes from doing, the laundry and stuff like that. So just putting away my clothes and everything like that. My room is my sanctuary, y'all. Since I do live with my family, my room is my safe space, so I like it to be nice and squeaky clean because that's where I spend most of my time. It's where I film my videos. It's where I do everything, so I like it to be nice and clean and fresh. So I'm just going in with the Lysol wipe, and I'm just going to be taking off some of that dust from my dresser, going in, reorganizing my perfumes, just cleaning up, basically. You guys know how to clean up, but this is just what I do on my Sundays to reset and get me ready for the work week. But yeah, not much to a Sunday reset, just to clean and get ready for the week with a clean house and a clean body. But I hope that you guys are doing well. I know it's been a while since I've talked to y'all. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Ooh, hey. But yeah, let me know if you guys like these kind of videos. I would definitely film more for you guys. An actual video as to where a full Sunday reset where I'm cooking dinner as well, and I like go to my niece's basketball game. This is more of my simple Sunday reset. I do have a actual Sunday where I do stuff, I reset and everything. So let me know if you will be interested in that kind of video. It would be definitely longer. But comment down below, a thumbs up this video. Let me know that you at least like it a little bit, and I'll go ahead and I'll film one, for you guys, because like I said, I do have my Sundays are pretty busy other than this simple one that I'm filming right now. So yeah, that is pretty much my Sunday. Oh yeah. So my more complex one would be me cooking. As of lately, my mom has been working a lot on Sundays, so I haven't really been cooking, and my sisters don't cook, so we've been eating out. So this Sunday we had In-N-Out Burger, which I would prefer Chick-fil-A, but they're closed on Sundays, so In-N-Out how to do. I am lactose intolerant, and that was a no bueno for me, but whatever. Food is food. I like to go in and disinfect, from the bacteria that has possibly arose. So I go in with some Lysol, disinfect that stuff and the bacteria, and then I go in with some Febreze on my bed to make it smell good. So that way when I get into bed, it just smells divine. So right here, I'm just cleaning the bathroom, simple cleaning the bathroom. And then once I've done all that sweating and I've cleaned the house, I gotta clean my body because I've been sweating, I've been hot, and I'm just dirty. So I go ahead and I take me a nice hot shower to decompress and relax. I just let the water hit me. I do have a simple shower routine. I will link that down below for you guys, and I'll also put it up in the cards so you guys can go ahead and click it if you're interested in watching my simple shower routine. But that is pretty much it, you guys, for my Sunday reset. Once I have done all that, I took my shower, I'm relaxed, I ate, I'm full, I get in the bed, I light me a candle, I get in the bed, and I turn on my favorite movie. One of my top faves is Pretty Woman. Yes, I love me some Pretty Woman. I love me Julia Roberts. She's an amazing actress. But Pretty Woman, I was watching Pretty Woman before I even knew what Pretty Woman was, okay? But yes, Pretty Woman is one of my top five. So yeah, I just light me a candle, become real zen, peaceful, turn off all the lights, close the blinds, and I just decompress and just relax and watch Pretty Woman. I hope that you guys enjoyed my Sunday. What is this? Sunday reset. My simple Sunday reset. But yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope you thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you're not already. Follow me on Instagram. All that good stuff. Comment, like, subscribe. And until my next one, beautiful people, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye. 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 I'll see you in the next one.